Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. I have an unfinished project from last year's Christmas stash. Needs to get finished. I had this jewelry box. It was super cute. It's got a lot of little detail on it. And I decided to put a little Christmas vignette in it. Well, this broke off the back, and then this never got finished and never got put out. And as you can see, it's completely unfinished. I think I just kind of lost hope. Either that or it happened like right at the end of the season, and I went, well, forget it now. But I'm looking at it and I'm like, he's cute. We need to finish this up, right? Like I've got to put something there. We've got to finish this because he's a cute little snowman with his little trees, maybe a bigger tree. I don't know. I got a ton of craft stuff, a bunch of glue, and a dream to make it better. I can but dream. Will I make it better? I don't know. I have no idea. It probably will be worse. It'll be what it is though. You guys, we can only try and make things better. It's unfinished though, and that bothers me. I have too many unfinished. Too many things unfinished. So I'm going to do my best to finish this. And you know what I think? I'm thinking I want to bring out the detail on the box because the base has a little detail as well. How do we feel? This was a gold box. And then of course I painted over it because it was like crusty gold. How do we feel about kind of hitting the high points with a little gold paint, like a little dry brush on it? Or a pearl. Oh, I have pearl. Somewhere I have pearl. Pearl would be pretty. Gold would be pretty too, though. Decisions. I have rose gold, which is pearl. That'd be pretty, huh? Metallic paint. Yeah, that's rose gold, right? Yeah, rose. Just rose, not gold. Do I have rose gold? I have everything. I have everything. I've got it somewhere around here. I think we're going to do a little to bring out the detail and then finish the vignette. I am not feeling well. So frankly, what I wanted to do was nothing. Nothing. Like I have a cold. No, it's not COVID. It's cold. Who gets colds anymore? It's so pedestrian. I feel less special now. But it just, I'm like run down, worn out, and I don't want to do anything. So this is kind of light duty work. We're going to do some light duty work and get this done. It'll be off my plate and I won't feel bad. Yeah, I was like, I think annoyed, if I remember correctly, when this came off last year. Because it was so cute before that. Oh, the back needs a little something then. Why do I feel myself getting a little crazy with this? We're not going to get crazy with it. We're not going to get crazy with it. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm going to get some paint. I'm struggling with the color. I'm like, Do I want paint in the cracks on top? Do I want a dry brush? Do I want to cover it and then wipe away? Oh, I'm not good at choices when I'm feeling run down and I don't feel good. Like, I'm not really good at choices on a daily basis, but when I'm like, I don't feel good, I don't want to do this, I'm really bad at choices. My first instinct was to dry brush it with gold. And then I'm like, no, don't do that. Don't do that. All right, let me take a break here, and I'm going to clean off my surface and get it prepped for this project. And by that time, I will have made a choice, okay? All right, I'm going to go with the gold because it was my first instinct. It's really dusty. So I've got this gold that I really like. I've mentioned that before. And I want to do a dry brush. So hang on, I need like a cardboard or something. Oh, do I have any cardboard? No, but you know what? I have a piece of foam. Not to be weird, but I'm going to use this foam. To blot my dry brush. All right, that just brings a little of the detail out. And I am going to do a little bit on the sides of the box as well. Oh yeah, that adds a little depth to it. I like that. All right. See, didn't take much. Now, let's put this aside. Now, I already cut the base off of another tree because I like having this filled in with 3 trees instead of the 2. And then I found a little package. Where'd that go? Oh, it's on the floor. Hang on. I have picked up at my favorite thrift store, Shalom, this little Christmas jar because it was Mom's mason jar, and I actually was going to take all this crap out of here. And inside of it is all these little Christmassy things. And this little package was in there, and I think that's going to be super sweet next to our little snowman guy. This is something that you can do with items, any kind of item, really. I've seen people create Christmas vignettes and old teacups and whatever you got. So if you want to go to a thrift store and pick up an old teacup, all you got to do is fill it up to the base, and then I'm going to put more snow around this so you can see where there's like not enough snow. I think I'm going to put the package either right there or right there. I don't want to do that. I think right here. I think by the snowman. But take a lot of the little miniatures that you find at Dollar Tree and kind of create your own little Christmas vignette. They sell like crazy at Pickett. So a lot of our vendors will take the little bottle brush trees and then create their own little vignettes. I want to do like a little pile of snowballs. So this was in the jar as well. And you can see it has a texture like snowballs. I was thinking this, which are just some vase fillers from Dollar Tree. Where's that package? Well, it's like this, only the silver and white. They're called glitter vase fillers, but I don't really like that as well as I like this. I don't know where they got this, but it definitely has more of a snowball feel. So I'm going to cut these apart. And the fun thing is you can just use your imagination. I saw miniatures at Dollar Tree. They had little villages and things like that that were just miniatures. Some of the pieces aren't the best, but they've got little deer and things like that. You can just create a little winter scene inside an old teacup. And for some reason, they sell really, really well. I'll glue that down there. Almost like somebody started to roll the parts of another snowman and then just sort of gave up. Well, do I want to stack it? I think I do want to stack it. So you just get to be creative and fun. Now I gotta wait for it to dry or it's gonna flip forward. Now, what to do about that? See, I thought about sticking a big giant snowflake on there, but that's like way out of proportion. Even this one is way out of proportion. I need to figure out something to kind of fill that in. Where's my snow? Where's my snow? Right, I have some scrap batting here. I'm gonna stuff down in here to give me a little base for glitter. We're doing glitter. But I want that to look like snow. All the way around. Let's do this. Okay. We need glitter. Where is the glitter? We got this glitter. Martha's microfine crystal glitter. Let's get some glue down here. You know what? Let's get some on the tree too here. Get a little more on the snowman. We are going to glitter the whole thing. Of course a brush would work better. I don't have one handy. I'm using what God gave me, and we are going to make this look pretty. Okay. Let's close our glue first. That was about to be a nightmare. It's beginning to look a lot like glitter. More glitter, more glitter, more glitter. All right, more glitter, more glitter, more glitter. More is better. Okay. Now, ooh, it's all over me. I am going to have to figure out a way to get this back on, and I'm thinking the hot glue is going to do the trick, but it might not. It might not be strong enough. And if that's the case, I'm going to be sad. So this back needs to go on. I am putting a thick coat on there. Thick with 3 C's thick. I'm going to hold that for the next 20 minutes while that glue dries. Please work, please work, please work. Oh, 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 that's not even dry yet. It's standing up. That's a good sign. Oh, come on. Oh, you know what it needs while it's drying? More glitter. Right in there. Right back in there. On that hot glue right there. Glitter. 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 More glitter. More glitter. Okay. I'm not going to say that's enough glitter, but, you know, it's a start. It's a start. And let's see. Do I need to put a little extra down here? Let's keep that on there. You know what? Let's disguise it with some glitter. Who would have seen that coming? Anyone? Okay. I think that's going to be my project for me. Now it's just got to dry. Just calm itself down and be one with nature. Okay. Well, we'll see how it is after it's had a chance to dry. I know this was a quick one, but you know what? It's about all I can tolerate today. I really don't feel good. I just want to take a nap and go to sleep. But who's ready to see how it turned out? He's cute. It turned out really sweet, I think. I did not do anything to the background, and I'm kind of glad that I didn't. It just looks like a snowy little winter scene. Now, we did some of these last year, and I did like the dancing Santa and the little tin cups and things like that. It's really funny to me because these tin cups I'd had forever and couldn't sell them. And then I added the little dancing Santa to them and they sold, you know, and you saw me, I think I had the little reindeer that I picked up at Target. They had the little kind of pink and blue reindeer. We used them again this year in a wall hanging, which by the way, that's the first thing that sold of all the things that I made this year. And you can do that to anything. Like I said, a teacup, a small jewelry box, anything that'll hold it. I've seen people do old cheese boxes and they fill it with like a little winter vignette. Yeah, super cute. That's my project for today, was finishing this project. So thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.